First, click on the App Store. Search up Canva, then download. Click on Canva, and it will take you to the home page. Now, if you want Canva for free, use your work email by typing in your educator email or your student email. Type in your email and click on Home. These are all the sizes that you can use to make what you want to make. We're going to use YouTube video. For Elements, there are pictures, clip arts, graphics, and there's even an AI feature. This is your slideshow. If you want to duplicate it, press the other slideshow that has a plus sign on it and duplicate. You can do this as many times as you would like. To upload files, press this purple button and upload photos from your photo library. Pick the photos you would like to upload, then tap Add. Click on the photos to add them to the slide. You can change the sizes by tapping the corners. To remove the background, tap Background Remover, and it will remove the background. You can animate your characters by using the Animate button. You can choose all sorts of different animations, the speed, and what direction they appear. There are many different ones here, like party, chill, and they all work pretty well. To make a transition, tap the transition button. There are different types of transitions you can add. You can also get to the transitions by pressing the plus button in between the slides. You can also, that way, duplicate and delete pages. To animate, press the Animate tab, then click on the bee icon. Move your character in the pattern you would like to, and when you think you're done with the pattern, let go of the character. See how it looks, and if you would like to add anything else, you can. Elements has different kinds of things you can use, like backgrounds. I'm looking up ocean wave backgrounds. There are different tabs you can do, all graphics, photos, videos, shapes, and even audio recordings. Now I'm at videos. I'm going to choose which one I like. I think I'm going to go with this one. You can also edit it by making it transparent, duotone, any color. You can also cut the time. Use these corner buttons on the video that you selected to make it bigger. Much better. Now look at our project go. To add text, click on the text and click what kind of font you would like. I chose title. To make it bigger, use the corner button, and if you would like to change the font, there are many other fonts that you can use. To change the color, click on this A button and pick any color you would like to use. Draw is this really cool feature where you can write on the slide with your own handwriting. Pretty cool. Audio has different sounds like I said before. We're going to choose the ocean beach. Look at our project, it's so cool. If you want to share, tap the share button. Click save as. And make sure the quality is at its fullest. You can save it any way you would like to save it, but we're going to choose MP4 video. Click download. Once you have clicked it, a little bar will show at the bottom showing its progress of downloading. Once this appears, click Save Video. At the bottom, it will show completed. Go to Photos and look at your amazing project. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.